we like laptops, we like writing code, so we try to just make the interface as simple as possible.
So that's your secret weapon, the software?
Absolutely. So
and what's the mission you've given them here?
The robots are going to start exploring this space. They're looking for objects of interest, red bins, people, things like that. And so they're basically dividing up the world into small pieces, assigning those pieces to individual robots, and then the robots wander off and start executing that piece. So they're going to go out in a couple phases just so that they're not all stomping all over each other. And what you're going to see is they're going to kind of do this lawnmower pattern around the world because their sensor range is pretty short. They really need to be pretty close to something to be able to see it. So they're going to kind of wander around and fill up the space.
So they've never been here before, they know nothing about this.
That's right.
And they're just building a picture of the world they find themselves in as they trundle around in it.
Exactly right.
There they go.
Yeah, that's a phase 2, headed out. And they, like you said, they know nothing about the world. One of the things that we find a really interesting research problem is trying to make robots operate in new environments. It's one of the reasons why we have the 3D LiDAR, so that we can really see the world in 3D. We're not going to assume it's flat. We're going to assume it's got hills, and the robot's going to measure all of it. And so off they go.
The last convoy, is that the one that stays behind?
Yes, this is the disruptor robot. So in the actual magic competition, if we find an object of interest, then
that's sent out to disrupt.
That guy's sent out to go find it.
Right. Okay, well let's follow them and see how they go.